What's happening in the market right now is not random. We are entering a new economic cycle shaped by geopolitics, artificial intelligence, and national security priorities. Global spending patterns are shifting rapidly, and investors who understand where the money is flowing stand to benefit the most. Defense budgets are increasing, border security is being reinforced, and governments are accelerating investments in unmanned systems and AI-powered infrastructure. These changes are not temporary. They represent a long-term structural transformation in how nations protect themselves and how technology supports modern warfare and intelligence gathering. Today's video focuses on two companies positioned directly at the center of these powerful trends. One is a fast-growing defense technology firm that has quietly transformed from a low-priced speculative stock into one of the most actively traded names in the market. The other is the dominant force behind global artificial intelligence infrastructure, a company that already sits among the most valuable corporations in the world, but may still be entering its most important growth phase yet. Together, these two stocks reflect where capital, policy, and innovation are converging as we move toward 2026. Before we dive in, it's important to understand the macro backdrop. The United States and its allies are reshaping military strategy. Traditional warfare is evolving away from heavy equipment alone and toward autonomous systems, advanced surveillance, drone technology, and real-time intelligence platforms. Governments are prioritizing speed, scalability, and automation. This shift has placed drones, counter-drone systems, and AI-driven battlefield awareness at the top of defense spending lists. Several analysts are already referring to 2026 as the year when unmanned systems move from experimentation to full-scale deployment. This environment has created enormous opportunity for companies operating in defense automation, and one of the most interesting emerging names in this space is Andes Holdings. The company provides technology platforms that digitize industrial and government operations through robotics, artificial intelligence, and networked intelligence systems. Its business spans autonomous aerial drones, counter-drone security, communications networks, and AI-enabled operational control. Through subsidiaries such as American Robotics, Iron Drone, Air Robotics, Andes Networks, and Rift Dynamics, the company has built an integrated ecosystem that serves both military and civilian government agencies.
Andes operates primarily across the United States and Israel, two global leaders in defense innovation. Over the past year, the company has expanded its footprint significantly and now works with defense and security agencies in more than 25 countries. What makes Andes especially compelling is timing. After years of development and acquisitions, the company has entered a clear revenue inflection point. Operational scale increased sharply in the second half of 2025, and that momentum has carried forward strongly into 2026. Financial results confirm this shift. The company recently announced preliminary figures that exceeded expectations by a wide margin. Quarterly revenue came in between $27 and $29 million, representing more than a 50% increase over earlier forecasts. Full-year 2025 revenue is now expected to reach between $47 and nearly $50 million, well above prior guidance. These increases are not accounting adjustments or optimistic projections. They are supported by executed contracts and expanding customer deployments. Perhaps the most important figure investors should focus on is backlog. Andes reported estimated backlog of approximately $65 million, up from just over $23 million only weeks earlier. That represents nearly a threefold increase in a very short period of time. Backlog growth of this magnitude indicates accelerating demand and strong contract visibility heading into future quarters. Based on this momentum, management raised 2026 revenue guidance to a range of $170 to $180 million, roughly 25% higher than previous targets. This surge in fundamentals is what triggered a wave of analyst upgrades. Multiple Wall Street firms revised their price targets higher following the company's investor day and updated guidance. Andes is now covered by several analysts, with the majority rating the stock as a buy. While price targets vary, the consensus implies meaningful upside from current levels. Importantly, the recent rally in the stock has not been fueled by social media hype. It has been driven by policy tailwinds, government contracts, backlog expansion, and increasing institutional attention. In parallel with these developments, Andes continues to secure new orders across its autonomous systems portfolio. Its drone and counter-drone technologies are being deployed in airports, border security installations, and defense facilities across both Europe and the United States. As governments continue shifting spending toward unmanned and AI-supported systems, companies capable of delivering reliable, scalable solutions stand to benefit disproportionately. While Andes represents the emerging side of the defense transformation, the second company in today's analysis represents its technological foundation. Nvidia has become the backbone of artificial intelligence worldwide. What began decades ago as a gaming graphics company has evolved into the most important infrastructure provider for AI computing. Today, the vast majority of Nvidia's revenue comes from data centers, where its GPUs are used to train and operate large-scale artificial intelligence models.
Nvidia's dominance extends beyond hardware. The company controls a complete ecosystem of computing platforms, including high-performance GPUs, networking technology, interconnect systems, and proprietary software frameworks such as CUDA. This integration makes Nvidia extremely difficult to displace. Major cloud providers, enterprises, research institutions, and governments all rely on its technology to power AI workloads. Although Nvidia's stock has risen dramatically over the past 5 years, recent performance has been comparatively modest. However, this does not indicate weakness. Instead, it reflects consolidation before the next phase of growth. The global AI infrastructure build-out is still in its early stages. Annual data center capital expenditures are projected to grow from roughly $600 billion today to between $3 and $4 trillion by the end of the decade. This represents one of the largest industrial expansions in modern history. Several catalysts could drive Nvidia's next leg higher through 2026. These include broader deployment of its Blackwell platform, the introduction of next-generation Rubin architecture, expanding sovereign AI investments by governments, and continued hyperscaler demand. In addition, regulatory developments surrounding chip exports could reopen significant international revenue channels. Despite rising competition, demand for advanced compute power continues to exceed supply, keeping Nvidia in a position of strength. Wall Street remains overwhelmingly bullish. The company is covered by dozens of analysts, the vast majority of whom rate the stock as a buy. Consensus price targets remain well above current trading levels, and some analysts believe earnings estimates may still be conservative given the pace of AI adoption globally. The reality is that artificial intelligence is no longer optional infrastructure. It is becoming essential to economic competitiveness, national security, and technological leadership. Together, these two companies illustrate the defining investment themes of the coming decade. Andes Holdings reflects the rise of autonomous warfare, drone-based security, and digitized defense operations. Nvidia represents the computational engine powering artificial intelligence, data centers, and intelligent systems across every major industry. One operates at the emerging growth stage with higher risk and higher potential volatility. The other is a dominant global leader benefiting from unprecedented capital deployment. Different companies, different profiles, but both positioned directly inside the strongest spending cycles shaping the global economy today.
As always, investors should conduct their own research, understand the risks involved, and avoid chasing momentum without fundamentals. Markets reward patience, discipline, and knowledge far more than speculation. If you found value in this analysis, consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, as it helps push this content to investors who care about fundamentals rather than noise. Subscribe for deeper breakdowns before stories go mainstream, and let me know in the comments whether you're watching these stocks, already invested, or still waiting on the sidelines. I read every comment and appreciate the discussion. I'll see you in the next video.